Welcome back my YouTube channel JK Auto 586. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic names in rally and road performance, the Ford Escort 2000 rupees. This legendary car, with its roots in motorsport and an unmistakable design, has captured the hearts of enthusiasts for decades. Let's explore what makes the 2000 rupees so special, its performance capabilities, and how it holds up in the market today. Camera transitions to a front view, highlighting the bold Ford logo and yellow headlights. At first glance, the Escort 2000 rupees stands out with its aggressive yet refined styling. Our model here features a black finish that gleams under the showroom lights, paired with ultra-high detailed glossy modifications. The iconic Ford logo on the grille reminds you of its heritage, and those bright yellow headlights are a subtle nod to its rally origins. Camera zooms in on the wheels and side profile, showing off the shiny add-ons. The RS2000's design isn't just for show, it's built for performance. Powered by a robust 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, this car delivers a punchy 110 horsepower, a respectable number for its era. While it may not compete with modern sports cars in raw power, the lightweight chassis and sharp handling make it an absolute joy to drive on twisty roads. Cut to a dynamic animation or footage of the car in motion, emphasizing its agility. The rear-wheel drive configuration ensures an engaging driving experience. The 2000 rupees accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 8 seconds, impressive for a car from the 1970s and 80s. Pair that with precise steering and a close ratio gearbox, and you've got a car that's both fun and responsive. Camera pans to the interior, focusing on the details of the dashboard, steering wheel, and seats. Step inside, and the Escort 2000 rupees continues to impress with its driver-focused cockpit. The layout is simple yet functional, featuring supportive bucket seats, a sporty steering wheel, and analog gauges that exude classic charm. While it may lack modern tech, it more than makes up for it with personality. Cut to a shot comparing the Escort 2000 rupees to